Founded in 1997, Chongqing Yihua Science and Technology Development Company Limited is located in Shuangfu Industrial Park, Chongqing, China. Our self-built plant covers an area of 53,791 square meters with 119 employees. We are a professional enterprise majoring in the R&D, marketing, and manufacture of friction material-related final products. Our products contain friction plate combination, main clutch, vice clutch, brake shoe, and brake shoe assembly. Having cooperated with some famous international motorcycle companies, our products plan to export to Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and South America. We focus on technological innovation and have developed a variety of new products. We are one of the verified revising company for National Standard of GB 13826-2008. Besides, we are the member of China Friction Sealing Material Association. With advanced production equipment, we are under a periodic maintenance and the International Advanced Production Technology. Our production capacity reached 15 million sets. We have passed quality system certification of TS16949, established a complete quality management system, and effective environmental health and safety management system. We have acquired Credibility Unit Certificate. Welcome to contact us for your benefits and look forward to our cooperation soon. It is our honor to be of your service, and your satisfaction is our pursuit.
We are Chongqing Yihua Science and Technology Company. Our main products are motorcycle clutch assembly, clutch plate, brake assembly, brake shoe, and auto-magnetic clutch. We have a strict quality control and passed TS16949. Welcome to contact us for your benefits and look forward to our cooperation soon. Thank you.